Introducing the Tohnichi 1000 Newton meters torque wrench tester manual loader, the ultimate solution for calibrating and adjusting your torque wrenches with precision and ease. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced torque wrench tester combines exceptional performance with user-friendly features to streamline your quality control processes. Covering a wide torque range from 100 to 1000 Nm, this tester caters to various applications, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements for your torque wrenches. The manual loader enables convenient and efficient testing, allowing for smooth operation and minimal downtime. Equipped with both peak and run modes, this tester offers flexibility in testing different types of torque wrenches, meeting your specific requirements. With 10 customizable high/low judgment patterns, you gain precise control over the testing criteria, ensuring consistent and accurate evaluations. The Tohnichi 1000 Newton meters torque wrench tester manual loader supports a wide range of global units of measure, including cnm, nm, kgf, cm, kgf, m, lbf, n, and lbf, ft, providing versatility for international use. With its robust construction and durable design, this torque wrench tester is built to withstand the rigors of industrial environments. The clear and easy-to-read display ensures accurate readings, while the compact and portable design allows for easy transportation and storage. Elevate your torque wrench calibration and adjustment processes with the Tohnichi 1000 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. Invest in precision, efficiency, and reliability for your quality control needs.